Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to buy and sell a debit put spread on the Robinhood app. A debit put spread is a bearish option strategy that combines buying one put option and selling another put option with a lower strike price that has the same expiration date. This strategy is commonly used when you expect a stock to decline while reducing the cost of buying a put option. Because you're both buying and selling an option, your maximum profit and maximum loss are defined before you enter the trade. Keep in mind that options trading involves risk and isn't suitable for every investor. Make sure your Robinhood account is approved for the appropriate options trading level before using spread strategies. Now let's get started. First, open the Robinhood app and sign into your account. Search for the stock or ETF you want to trade. Open its details page. Tap Trade, then select Trade Options. Choose the expiration date that matches your trading plan. Select the debit put spread strategy if it's available, or build the spread manually. Choose the put option you want to buy. Then select another put option with a lower strike price to sell using the same expiration date. Robinhood will automatically calculate the net debit, which is the amount you'll pay to open the spread. Review the maximum possible profit, maximum possible loss, break, even price, and total cost before placing your order. Choose the number of spread contracts you want to trade. Review your order details carefully. If everything looks correct, swipe up to submit your order. Once your order is filled, you can monitor the spread from your options portfolio. As the stock price changes, the value of your spread will also change. If the trade moves in your favor, you don't have to wait until expiration. You can close the position early by opening your debit put spread and selecting close. Review the closing order and submit it to lock in your profit or limit your loss. You can also hold the spread until expiration if it matches your trading strategy. Continue monitoring the stock price, implied volatility, and the time remaining until expiration, since these factors can affect the value of your spread. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.